tip that I have for all of you out there that do makeup reviews online, whatever platform you use. So the best tip that I can give you is whenever you create a look, what I do is I put everything that I used in that look in a box. And these boxes are just, you know, some little photo boxes that you get. They happen to be very decorative. It does come with a lid, so I just put everything in the box. That way, when I go to upload all of the information for the products that I used for that particular look, I know it's all in one box. That includes, I'm not sure if you can see, but that includes the new products, all of the brushes that I use for the look, every single item that I use for the look, I put it in a box, so that way I cannot forget what items I use for that look, so that when I do post the links and items on the video as well as in the description box, I know exactly what I used. So there's a first little tip for all of you beauty gurus out there that are creating content. I am going to give one more quick tip before I do a review of the products that I used. So I'm going into my little box, and what I have is the actual box that my lashes came in. So this is what it is. It is from LaBelle. Again, all of these were Black-owned brands. So what I will do is on the box it says, let me get my glasses. Okay, so on the box it says up to 10 uses depending on the maintenance. Up to 10 uses depending on maintenance. So that is what I go by. So I'm gonna go with 10 uses, right? So when I go to take these lashes off after filming this video, what I'm gonna do is take a little marker and I'm going to put somewhere on the container, somewhere on the box, the number 1. And then I just hashtag each time that I wear the lash. That way I know that I am going to get, when I get down to that 8th, 9th, 10th wear, that it might be a little bit rough, but at least I will have some sort of indication of how many times I have worn that particular lash. So this is the first time I am using this lash, so I'm going to put that little hashtag there, and each time I use it I will put another little one, and then I will know when I get up to 10 uses as it says on the box. So there is tip number 2.